First, enter the background and click on Residential Proxies. You can view your username again. View the country or region IP address you need. You can also view the port and address, city, state, username, and password. Select the profile you need and copy the address on the right into your browser. Then open the browser page and add the profile information. Enter the profile name, select the proxy type, and enter the proxy address, port number, username, and password you copied earlier. Once the configuration is successful, you can use it normally.